Okay, so the last thing that we will need to add to complete our set is to have a delete. So we'll just use the same thing here using the get and use the delete function. So from here on out, delete one to do, and we delete one. We delete one, and then we delete this deletes one to do from the database given a unique ID. And if there's no to do, this is something that we have set up. What we will need to do here is given the index to do's splice index 1, we just effectively deleted it. Get use the update, this one, to update our database. And that is that. Let's see if we are able to delete our items. So we will delete the same thing here. So we use this, no need for the body, and we just delete. And what it does is, or what we can do, we don't need to return the data. Well, we can sort of do that, like return the previous data, but for now we'll just return success true. So if we do this, there's no delete because we forgot to put one. So const thing with delete is, it's a reserved keyword. So we use delete here. Delete one is equals to require delete. It's a reserved word in JavaScript, so we use this. And if we use it up, oh, you have an error again. You haven't saved this, so right file sync has not been defined, which I always forget. Too fast. Brain is too fast. Okay, so now that we have done that, we send and it's success true. If we see it in the database, there is no more of that. So if we do it the same time again, the to do doesn't exist. Now that it works, we just copy the test again from get. We delete it. Use the delete for the route for deleting one to do, which is delete. Now we are just creating one for now. It should return success without done and status 200 when called using delete. And success should be equal to true. Status quo should be equal to 200. We don't have the ID, so we get the ID from ID's 0. That's something that we have saved when we created the post before. Indexed, so index should equal -1. That means it is, or it has been deleted. So if we test it out, we update this, we test it out, npm test. Okay. It returned an error. Expected 5 to become -1. That means it wasn't deleted. Oh, because I used a different method. Let's just do the test again. You can see here, we have tested it out. It works. And we see that there's a line 28 that wasn't called. 28. Aha. Because I'm using a different method here. Let's check out the update first. If I use the same. Yep, all of them is put. Yep. So let's test it out again. And there you go. We have effectively created something that we have, created a function that allows us to delete. So let us put it here. We don't want to mess around the database. Oh, discard it. So add the ability to delete an object. Yes. And we are done for this one. We are done. Yay. On to the next video.